Welcome to All-Rounder Kids. Technology for Kids. Part 2. Advanced Coding and Technology. Python, Microbit, Arduino kits, hands-on coding and electronics projects. Tinker, Scratch Advanced, more complex coding games and apps. Roblox Studio, education mode, game design and programming. STEM and science exploration. Khan Academy, Brilliant.org, math, science, logic, and problem-solving courses. National Geographic Kids, science, geography, and exploration. Lego Mindstorms, robotics kits for building and programming. Creativity and digital arts. Blender, SketchUp for kids, 3D modeling and animation. Canva, Adobe Express, design projects, posters, and presentations. Stop Motion Studio, create animations using toys and cameras. Safe social learning and collaboration. Google Classroom, Edmodo, collaborative learning environment. Padlet, Miro, brainstorming and digital project boards. Useful gadgets and devices for all ages. Tablets and kid-friendly laptops, iPad, Fire Kids tablet, Chromebook for kids. Wearables, Garmin or Fitbit Ace, fitness and activity tracking for kids. VR, AR experiences, Google Cardboard, Basic, Merge Cube, AR learning. Robots and STEM kits, Lego Boost, Sphero, Mbot, Ozobot. Safety and digital well-being tools. Parental controls, Google Family Link, Custodio, Norton Family. Screen time management, iOS screen time, Android digital well-being. Internet safety, KidRex, Kiddle, Safe Search, teaching privacy rules. AI and future tech tools for kids. Even young kids can explore AI, robotics, and problem-solving tech in safe ways. AI learning tools. ChatGPT for kids, kid-friendly AI chatbots, simple Q&A and learning assistant. Teach your monster to read, AI-powered reading tutor. Socratic by Google, AI helps explain homework questions, math, science. AI creativity. Doodle AI, Story AI, create AI-powered stories and images. Voice AI tools for kids, change voice, record stories, or make animated voiceovers safely. Robotics and AI toys. Cosmo, vector robots, programmable AI robots with personality. Miko 3 robot, educational AI companion for learning STEM and coding. Daily life and hobby skills using technology. Technology isn't just for school, it can also help kids develop hobbies and life skills. Arts and crafts. Procreate, iPad, drawing, painting, digital art. Tinkercad, simple 3D modeling for crafts or 3D printing. Stop motion studio, animation using toys and crafts. Music and performance. GarageBand, band lab for kids, music creation. Rhythm games, Just Dance, combine fitness with rhythm. Science and exploration. Khan Academy, Brain Pop, National Geographic Kids, interactive experiments. Star Walk Kids, Sky Safari, astronomy apps to explore the night sky. Little Bits, Makey Makey, hands-on electronics and invention kits. Life skills. Cooking, recipe apps, guided safe cooking for kids. Finance, money management apps, e.g., Rooster Money for allowance and saving. Time management and organization apps, simple planners or to-do apps for older kids. Online learning platforms and MOOCs for kids. Code.org, coding courses for kids of all ages. edX, Coursera for kids, beginner courses in science, math, coding. TED-Ed, videos and interactive lessons for curious minds. Brainly, homework help and collaborative learning safely. Fun and social technology, safe social skills online. Collaborative games, Minecraft, Roblox, Animal Crossing, social play with friends. Online clubs, maker communities, Tinkercad groups, Lego communities. Virtual field trips, Google Arts and Culture, Google Expeditions, VR/AR. Emerging trends in tech for kids. AI encoding early, children learning basic AI concepts in Python coding. AR/VR learning, exploring museums, space, or biology interactively. Gamification of learning, turning math, reading, and science into games. DIY STEM kits, combining electronics, robotics, and app programming. Digital storytelling, using animation, voice AI, and creative apps to make videos or comics. Thank you for watching. Hope you had lots of fun in learning. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.